Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there, or the subscribe button down there, and have fun. So I've got my new Bushmaster AR15. These guns were going for upwards of $3,000 during the panic in 2013, 12-13. Now they're back down to around 700, which is good for me. Lesser guns are going for about 500, but this is Bushmaster. I like it. It hasn't been sighted in yet, but we're going to try and hit some stuff. We're going to shoot it up. So, I've got my 30-round clip. This one was $20 when the panic was just starting to happen, I guess. This one went up, or this one was $30. They went all the way up to about $40, probably last year, 2013. Now they've come back down to $4.99, which is nice. And they hold 30 rounds. They take 223 ammo, and we're gonna load these up and see if we can shoot some stuff, even though it's not sighted. See what we can do. And this ammo is running about 50 cents a round now, so can't do too much playing, but we'll have a little bit of fun. Another reason this ammo is so expensive is that survivalists have been purchasing them, as many as they can get their hands on, lately, so it kind of drives prices up when manufacturers can't keep up with the demand. So we're trying to get our hands on some. So if you want to check and see if your weapon is clear, pull back on the charging handle. At the same time, press to lock. Then you can check. All clear. And then to release, just press right there. And if you have a clip-in, that'll put a round in the chamber. You'll be ready to go. Load the clip. Release. Still got a few. Ready? Nice.
Shoot.
What?
How's your hearing?
I can hear. The ears work well.
What do you think of your gun?
I love it. It's great. So fun.
Looks pretty lightweight the way you handle it.
It is. I mean, you know. I could do curls with it.
Nice shooting, Farm Girl.
Yeah, thanks.